Hello, it's my favorite dodgy angle to vlog from. Wow, I'm always worried like when I put my arms up in case like I've gunked up my deodorant. That's a cute way to start this. Also, very cute that the sweat patches I can't even talk and I'm just holding my boobs. The sweat patches from today's workout, very interesting. Just love that for me. Please, let's try and ignore it. Ruined it for myself. Ooh, Sorry I look like a mess. I am just editing this vlog. This is Scola from the future. This vlog is from like early October and it's like early November now. I'm so sorry. I vlogged so much during this week, which was like my birthday week, which was like ages ago now. And I've just been picking up those vlogs over the last few weeks. I hope you guys have been enjoying them. Do comment down below. Let me know if you want me to do more vlogs. I promise they'll be more up to date and not so spread out. But anyway, because this is an old vlog, I hadn't mentioned that I have just launched my online personal training. So if you're looking for custom workout and nutrition plans, then go and check out the Better program. It is now live. I am so excited to be back to doing online personal training. Honestly, I feel so amazing with my health and fitness, and I'm so ready to be able to help others do what I've been able to do, especially during lockdown, especially during this year. So that's really exciting. All the details will be down below. Also, just want to say a huge thank you to Glasses USA. They kindly gifted me these glasses and I really wanted to show you guys because these have been such a godsend. I have been spending so much more time on my laptop and my phone over the last few months just because what else are you gonna do? But also I just noticed that my eyesight had deteriorated. Luckily during the summer I managed to book an eye test because eye tests were like back open. I went to get another eye test done. Turned out that I needed an updated prescription. I got a new prescription. It was so easy to input the information on glassesusa.com and then I got myself some new glasses. But these ones really do suit my face and I managed to check that using like their like, what's it called? Their I sound like an old person being like, their technology on their website lets you try on glasses. And I got 4 different glasses. So I've got some sunglasses in here too. So I'll try them on for you. So these are the first sunglasses. These again are like the equivalent of these in the way that I wanted, like just everyday ones you can throw on and will match any outfit or anything. So these are my sunglasses. Okay, so these are another pair of sunglasses. I went for a fun pair, so I tried to do something a little bit different. I don't know. What do you guys think? Anyway, so I've got these ones, which are my fancy pair, and these are the pair that I'm gonna keep in my bag when we're allowed back outside. I'll have like a home pair that always stay at home, and then a pair that I'll always like have in my bag if I ever need them. Similar shape to the others, really cute. I just loved the gold detailing, and I mostly wear gold metals if I'm wearing jewelry and stuff, so I just thought these would go really well with anything. So yeah, if you want to go and check out glassesusa.com, the link will be down below. It's so easy just to be able to get your glasses. It's so much more affordable. Like I actually cringe when I think about how much I spent on my first 2 pairs of glasses because I just went into the shop and just like blindly just thought, oh, I'll just buy these. But to know that there are actually good deals out there for glasses and it's so convenient, you just put in your prescription, you get them. So easy, loved it. And yeah, I got my lashes done as well. I probably will not do this again just because I'm not sure it suits me. I'm quite okay with having short lashes. I just thought I'd do something special, a little bit different. And then my brow tint was actually okay. It's kind of, yeah, it's good. It's good. Isn't it funny? I've actually not properly looked at my face. You probably can't hear me because I'm talking into this, but I've not properly looked at my face since I got myself tarted up. Wanted to just get birthday ready today, do all the beauty treatments, all the things that make me feel good and all that good stuff. So I started off by shaving in the shower, and whilst I'm here, you guys know I have a Patreon page, and I just wanted to do a quick shout out to all my current Patreons. So we have got Hannah, Anita, Letitia, Giselle, Tootsie, Derek. I hope you're doing really well, but I probably already know because I am messaging you. But I just wanted to address something that somebody asked. So if you follow me over on Instagram, you'll know that I've been doing some sponsored posts with Gillette Venus, and this is the strawberry edition razor, which I featured in my post. And then someone asked like, oh, I saw that you get laser hair removal. I just finished my laser hair removal appointment. It was my first proper appointment since lockdown, and everything was already super hygienic beforehand, and it's still just as hygienic as it was before. So it's been really good, and it was really quick as well, not as painful as I always think it's going to be. It was really easy. But anyway, I'm gonna hurry up and get out of here because they're gonna have to clean everything up for the next person. But yeah, good session. Why are you also shaving at the same time? Basically, I don't have laser on my legs. I think I've mentioned this before as well. I only get laser on the areas where I struggled with ingrown hair. So I get my bikini done, I get my underarms done, and I get my chest done. So those are the areas that I personally get done. And I've just added my tummy to the list as well, just because I noticed on my lower tummy underneath my belly button where I shave, I get ingrown hairs there as well. Whereas everywhere else, I don't really mind. Like when it comes to my legs, I honestly really enjoy shaving. Like that feeling of like growing your hair out and then just shaving it and it feels all smooth. I'm weird, I guess, but I always really enjoy shaving, and I love being able to just use a razor. This isn't sponsored, by the way, but I just thought I'd mention that because I thought it was important, because I never want you guys to feel like any of my sponsored posts are like not genuine, when all of them are. I genuinely love shaving because I'm a weirdo, and I love that feeling of like freshly shaven legs when you get in bed. But anyway, I need to moisturize. I just got out of the shower, but I've got a parcel to open with you guys. Ooh, look at me doing like PR openings. Oh my gosh. And it's from one of my favorite brands, and I'm so excited because I haven't got a PR gift from them in a little while, so I'm not sure what new stuff they've got at the moment, just because I haven't been in the shops either, which is really sad. So when I go to the shops, I literally don't even browse that much. I just go in, get my stuff, and I leave. So it is from Palmer's. They kindly said they had some stuff they wanted to send over to me. You guys know I usually use my Palmer's cocoa butter. Again, by the way, this is not sponsored. I'm just a fangirl. You guys have known since the beginning. One of my most viewed videos is my stretch mark video, and I was just raving about the Palmer's products in that whole entire video. So much has changed since then though. Ooh, okay, a little note. It's like my birthday. They don't even know it's my birthday, so it's just good timing that this is like a little birthday hamper. Oh, I wish I'd seen this before I got in the shower. Oh my god. So it is the body scrub, but this is a different container. Okay, and then we've got this is a swivel stick for lips. Oh, I love these. I've had these before and they're so useful. They are for lips, but they're also really good for, like, you know when you get little dry patches in your hands, like you don't want to moisturize your hands and have them be all sticky, but you just don't want to look ashy basically. This swivel stick is really good for that, and I just dab it in. Oh my god. And then we've got some hand cream. Love that. Washing my hands all the time lately. Though I do have a lot of like hand creams from them already, which is really good. And then I've got another one. I've got a spare. Literally, it's so funny. I was in Superdrug the other day and I was buying this and I was like, should I get two or should I just get one? Because I was like, what if I run out of this and I have to come back? And I'm trying not to, like, you know, do too many trips to the shops at the moment. So I was like, oh, it's fine. I'll just go back and get it when I need it. Okay, so this, I have no idea what it is. Okay, so the box says Pretty Skin, and I can honestly say I'm not entirely sure what that is. Guys, I'm fully confused. I have no idea. Oh, how exciting. It's like my birthday. It is my birthday. It's all exciting. Okay, so we've got a V-line patch, and then we've got a essential vitamin C brightening mask sheet. It feels really heavy, so I think there must be quite a few in here. Oh wow. Wow. Guys, look at that. It's literally gold. How luxurious. Oh, okay, so it's not from my sister. Guys. Yeah. It's a mystery. Okay, so I am done getting ready for the day. This is my first time like doing a full face, like after I got my hair done and my brows done, everything done, and it feels so good. Oh my goodness. You know, sometimes it just takes getting ready to really appreciate like the stuff you've had done. Ooh, I feel so good. So one thing I should say is I've not put foundation on. I literally just put the concealer on just because I haven't actually had a foundation I like in a very long time. I've not actively gone out to get a new foundation. I feel like the ones I have now, I need to actually chuck out or just don't work for my skin type. Like I just need something that's like mattifying, but not like, there used to be this really good one I used to get from Estee Lauder, I believe, and it was like the Taint Miracle something foundation, and that was like my favorite because it's the right balance of like dewy but also like matte and stuff. So I think I need to just treat myself to a new foundation at some point. But you know, when you're like, do you see guys, I'm really on this whole like money saving thing because I'm like, this looks okay and I don't need foundation. In fact, I really like the more natural look. Okay, so I just got my lunch and I thought I'd show you guys because it's quite different. You guys know that I'm doing keto at the moment, but look at what I'm having. So this isn't actually lunch, it's like nibbles because I know I'm gonna have more later. And also I'm keeping this small because there is carbs on this plate. But basically I'm starting to introduce carbs into my diet for the next few days because it's my birthday coming up and I know I'm gonna want to eat some cake and stuff like that. But a big tip, if you are gonna do keto, don't just like have one day where you go crazy and have loads of carbs because it will hurt. Well, for me personally, your body doesn't know how to react to it anymore. So I'm reintroducing carbs. I've got a cup of tea as well, treating myself to a cup of tea. It's all autumny and it's so funny, as soon as it turns to autumn, all I want is a cup of tea. The other time of the year I don't really have tea, but I'm obsessed with tea at the moment. Hello! Okay, so you've probably seen this little outfit by now. Just finished filming the haul and everything, so it'll probably be up before this is up. So if you're looking at my little skirt, you're looking at my little top and you like it, then definitely go and check out the haul that I just did. Wait, no. Okay. So there you can see it. Wait, it's just focusing on my face. There you can see it. 13 minutes on there, 118 calories, total calories 142, heart rate managed to get up to 170, which isn't too bad, and I am working up a sweat. In fact, I need to get my braids off my back because I'm not trying to have to wash these immediately. Like definitely after this week of like working out, I'm gonna have to like wash my hair because all this sweating has already been a lot. I've got these right here. They're like my journals and this book that I got as well that I'm gonna be reading, and I am gonna make myself do that before I go to bed instead of going on my phone and watching something, because I don't really need to do that. So that is what I'm gonna do before I go to bed. But I'm just gonna say goodnight to you guys now because I'm just gonna do that, pick up my sister, and then come straight back home and just sleep probably. But anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. This is probably going to be my last vlog because I think I'm gonna just chill out for my birthday week and stuff. But yeah, I'll probably like vlog just after my birthday. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy, stay luscious, and I'll talk to you guys later.